Hi, my name is Dr. Alisa Alvis, and I'm a school and clinical psychologist working here in Saint Vincent and the Grenadines. And today I'm here to talk to you about a term that you've probably seen or heard, LGBTQIA+. But what does it mean? Well, each one of the letters stands for differences in a person's identity or the way that they experience the world. So the L stands for lesbian, and this is a woman who's attracted to other women. The G stands for gay, and typically we would use this for men who are attracted to other men, but people who are attracted to the same gender as themselves may use that term as well. B stands for bisexual, and this is a person who's attracted to genders the same as theirs, but also ones that are different from theirs. T stands for transgendered, and this is a person whose gender identity doesn't match with the sex that they were assigned at birth, but we'll talk about that more in another video. Q stands for queer, and this is an umbrella term. You may hear people use it if their identity doesn't fall neatly into categories that I listed before, or if they're simply trying to express that they're not heterosexual. But Q can also stand for questioning. Some people aren't sure yet what they're like, and that's okay as well. I stands for intersex, and these are people who have natural variations in their bodies, chromosomes, or hormones that differ from their sex that was assigned at birth. And A stands for asexual. These are people who experience very little or no romantic or sexual attraction to other people. But the A can also stand for ally. And these are people who don't fall into any of the categories that I talked about before, but who may advocate and are interested in upholding the rights of people who fall into those categories. And then finally, the plus sign. So this is for anybody whose identity doesn't fall neatly into the categories that I listed before. So you may be thinking, after hearing all of that, that is a lot to take in. And it is. It's a lot to learn. But I think that what's most important is that you remember that behind every letter, there is a real person. A friend, a family member, a coworker, but a human being who deserves to be treated with respect and dignity.